see animals, wild animals.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
It's good, Theo. Thank you.
There, you can take this.
There's a mop. Here, give me your mash. Good girl.
And I'm in the trail. I'm in the trail.
Don't
We're
drop
in the
these.
trail?
You might
Yeah,
want
I'm
this.
open.
Yay!
I'm ready.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's gonna
got
be
that.
cool. You already get fit?
I'm open.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going first?
And
This way?
that way is wrong. This
Or
way
that
is
way?
right.
Yeah? Think so?
Yeah, this is right. Am I
Okay, let's
right?
see. Daddy's checking the map first. Hi, Bella. Are you excited to see wild animals?
The map is right.
This way first. See? Theo, it's start here. This way to start.
Yes.
See?
That's for ski trail.
Oh, ski trails.
Guys, keep moving. You're gonna get bit.
Okay, let's go. Go, Theo. Go beside Daddy.
Yeah,
What?
turkey vulture.
Oh. Picture. Oh, yes. Hi, turkey. Okay, let's go, Theo. Let's go, Bella. Say hi. What is it?
It's red tail hawk.
Oh,
Red tail hawk.
good job, Theo.
Brought some
What
mice.
is that?
Brought some mice with
Ah, there's a really lot of mosquitoes in here.
What is that?
red tail.
What tail hawk? Okay.
Mm.
What's this? What's this one? What's that? What is that?
Gray horn owl.
Green owl.
Gray. Well, look again. It's right there.
What is
That's
that?
so cute. Theo, look, so cute.
What is this?
What is that?
What is this, Dad?
It says don't bang for this one. It's scared.
Yeah, there's a lot of
We're gonna
mosquito.
stop.
What? Guys. Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Harris.
It's really cool. Whoa. Cool. I think Theo say hi to you.
Hi.
That's mean hi. Hi. See? It's like waving. Waving the wings.
What is this one? This is the eagle.
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle? What is this one? What is this one, Dad? What is this one?
Oh,
What is this one?
there's a bald eagle, no?
Bald
What is that?
eagle?
Oh no,
What is-
it's called
What is this?
common raven.
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 Raven?
Common raven.
Raven?
Oh, it's dancing. Bella, look, it's dancing. Oh, show your dance. Wave your hand. Say hi. Bless you. Say hi. See? The bird's dancing.
Dad.
What called is this leaves? Eh? It's lemon leaves.
Lemon balm.
Lemon balm for get rid the mosquito. Mosquito won't come to us. What's the heck? Alright, let's go. That's funny. You're funny. Hi. This is to take away the mosquito. Look at me. That was funny.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, guys. So next, we're going this side. Poison. Uh-oh. Be careful with poison ivy. Oh my gosh. That's scary. Don't touch the leaves over here in the... Yeah. See? Show it to him. Yeah. Yeah, be careful. I know, look, all the mosquito is coming to you. Yeah, good thing the... Yeah, it's so many. Good thing the woman gave us stuff for mosquito. Oh, it's already going to my face. Which way?
This way.
It's a bee house.
You want to go?
That's the bee house.
What is that?
I don't know.
Let's be in the house. There's bees.
Honeybee. There's no bee. What is it then?
No, maybe that's
Okay. Alright. All right there in the back. I think.
All of bees is it?
Okay. Theo, can we go move there, please? Move forward. I just want to see the other side. Honeybee, honeybee. Look, what is in here, Theo? What is that? Wow.
What is that?
Oh, we're not allowed to go there? It's close.
I'm not allowed to there.
There's a bee. Oh, I see it. Come here. Over here. There's a lot of bee right there. There's their house. See? See it there?
There's a lot.
I know.
Oh, look.
See it? That's a lot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. You're making honey.
This way too small. This way too small.
Look at
Oh, there's a little tower there.
I think I want to know what that is.
Cool. mosquito is
Look at the
coming.
towers this way and then come back that way to get to the boardwalk.
Okay. There you go. Hi.
Hi.
You see the bee?
Yeah.
It's cute, right?
Are we the permission? No.
Honeybee?
No. No, mosquitoes could be.
Yeah. You get lots of leaves on your sweater, your hoodie, and you have in your socks, your sandals. And oh, what is that? You can go on the top. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
On top now.
Yeah? You want to go in the stairs on top?
That
Maybe you and Daddy only.
That,
I'll wait here downstairs with Bella.
that, me and you don't
Much.
always.
Yeah, I'll
Having
wait.
fun.
Me
Okay, you
and
go up.
I don't wanna
You
go.
go up there. No, I'll stay with Bella. You wanna go, Bella? No, we're staying here. It's too high, right? Only Daddy and Theo. Right? It's too high. You can't bring the stroller. Who's? It's fine. Theo, where are you? Where are you? So many mosquitoes, Theo. Be careful, watch your step. You're right. Hi! Wow! You're so high. Can't reach you anymore. Yes, I can see you. Bella, you want to see your brother and daddy? Where are they? Up here. Look at them.
Hey Bella.
Call Bella.
Fire!
Where's Bloody and Theo? Up there? Hi! Hello! Hi, Theo and Daddy!
Up here.
Yeah. What? You wanna live here? Where you gonna sleep? Bella, you wanna go up there? It's too many mosquitoes. Is that fun? What did you see? You see nice there? Yeah. What? Trees? What else? Swan? Swan?
See?
Okay, let's go. So many mosquitoes.
And a tunnel right there.
You see the tunnel?
And a-
There's a tunnel there, and there's a canoe. Okay, what's next?
I think we have to go back.
Yeah?
Which one?
Oh, let's go check this first, okay?
No.
Okay, let's go.
This first.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we're going that. We're gonna see all the flowers.
Yeah, I did start way over there.
Yeah?
Wanna go back and start at the beginning?
Okay, let's go start first in the beginning, Theo. Yeah, that's cool, right? Okay, we're going over there first or no?
Or just skip it. I think it's just bulrushes anyway.
Okay,
This is the good part.
this is a good part.
Be careful with it.
Careful, Theo. Watch your step. Wanna hold my hands? Oh, look at the tower. What is? Are we gonna see this one? That's the CN tower. I know. That's just a picture.
You're saying the ice was as thick as the height of this.
Oh, Theo, careful, it's wet. Still mosquito? Still mosquito, Bella? What's your step? What's your step? Good job. Oh, look at the flowers. That's so cool. Is that a lily? What is that? Careful, Theo. Don't fall.
Oh, Mama has to jump in.
Oh no, not me.
Yes.
Daddy.
Yeah.
No, no thank you.
Yes.
Alright, look, if you fall, we're gonna use this one. Theo, if you fall, we're gonna use this one to get you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think there's a buoy.
yeah.
Just resume on.
What is it? What is it?
Right.
What is it?
The buoy.
Buoy?
Zuma have a buoy too.
Yeah. This is cool, right? It's nice. Oh yeah, what's your step? There's a lot of poops. Wow. Okay, we can just sit down here and relax for now.
I got some too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. One for Bella.
Oh, you want Daddy get flower? One for you, one for Mommy, and one for Bella?
Okay.
No, that's too
That's for this is one for Bella. That's already one for Ollie, one for Bella.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Careful. There's careful, Dad. Uh-oh. Theo. Okay, that's enough. 3.
No, I need to be one for Daddy now.
Just 3. It's good enough. One for you, one for Mommy, and Bella.
I need to be one for Daddy too.
Okay, let's go walk, Bella. Walk, walk.
Eat one, Dad.
Good job.
That one. That one, Dad.
No, that's enough there. Oh. Oh, can you walk? Can you walk here? Oh. Careful, Theo.
Why is it oh no, Dad?
Wow.
Why is it oh
Oh my gosh.
no? This is so good.
Yeah, it's great. You like it? You like here? Theo, remember where you are before? You went there, up there. There's a mountain right there.
Mountain? Step.
Hi, Bella.
Fun in the trail.
It's fun in the trail, in the boardwalk. Yes.
We're going to the hotel later.
Say bye-bye, boardwalk.
What's wrong with that?
Yay.
But that shows the one. That
Eat mosquitoes for dinner.
No. It's a return center. what is over there.
Viewing blind. We don't have to know.
Okay. Oh yeah, I want to check it. Bella said walk, walk, walk. Okay, you can go for walk. Not that way. Wrong way, Bella. Wrong way, over here. Bella, just want to play the rocks? Come on, let's go. Where's Daddy and Theo? Where's Daddy and Theo? Let's go. We're gonna check over there. Okay? Walk, walk. Say walk, walk. Walk. No, we're going to walk. Uh-oh, you fall down. Come on, let's go. Right there, Bella. Let's go and see where's Daddy and Theo. I know you want to walk, but we have to look what is over there. There's a birdhouse right there. There's a chair. Bench chair. What else? What else are we gonna check? Walk.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Nice. What is over there? You want to walk right there? You want to walk? Here. You can walk now. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Go walk. Wow. Bella say wow. Let me see. Oh wow.
It's so cool.
Is it cool?
It's so cool.
Yeah. Bella wants to go up to and check it. Bella! Oh, you got my slippers. Yeah, you can stand there. Or you can sit.
I stand up.
Yeah, careful.
Careful.
Broom broom. Broom broom. Broom broom.
Here is a door in the car.
Yeah?
No door.
No door.
It's the car.
Hi. 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 Wow. Theo. Say hi. Hello. You're in the stroller now? Hey, don't push Bella. See, Bella is pushing stroller. Careful, Theo. Your head. Careful. Walk. Now you're running. Walk. She's running now.
Bella, are you running?
Yeah, she's so fast.
You running?
Look, she's like running. Come on, Bella, let's go. Bye. Stopping by. Bye-bye. Let's go. Go for a walk. Bella, walk time. Walk, walk. Come on, let's go. Walk. Walk. Say walk. Walk. Good girl. There. It's really a snake. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
It's a big one. Careful, Theo. Careful. It's a big one. That scared me. Oh my god. Oh, it's moving. Oh my gosh. That's scary. Okay, I'm scared. I don't want to see the snake. Ah! You see it, Theo? You like it? You're not scared? Yeah, it was like really beside my feet. Oh my gosh, that's scary.
His head's right